Bonjour, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alice, I'm French and I live in Paris, and today's video is about the iconic French no makeup look, which is the signature of the Parisian style. In this video, I'm going to guide you and show you each steps to get the French no makeup look. It's less about makeup, but more about using the right products and the right technique. So let me show you the technique French women are using to get this fresh, effortless makeup look. Let's start the no makeup look with the first step, prepping your skin. Don't forget to start with a healthy, glowing skin. And yes, for French women, skincare is the new makeup. So I'm going to start to prep my skin for this no makeup look. And today I'm going to use, of course, Typology, the Crème Visage 9 ingredients. I love this product. If you don't know Typology is a vegan and cruelty-free skincare brand. All the products are formulated and manufactured in France. And what I love about the brand is the fact that they use over 80% ingredients of natural origin in the product. And if you want to use the exact products I am using in this video, don't forget to check below the video. I put all the link, and I also do have an exclusive promo offer for you. I love a skincare cream. It's one of my favorite makeup primer or makeup base. It's made with only 9 ingredients, 9 essential ingredients. And all the ingredients are also 99% naturally derived. I love this one. It's fragrance-free, super lightweight, non-greasy, non-sticky. It's super comfortable on the skin. It's also suitable for all types of different skin. So this one is absolutely perfect. I also love the texture. It's super light. Oh no, I love it. I think it's the perfect also summer cream because it's super lightweight. The second step of a no makeup look is definitely the light coverage. Like I said many times on this channel, French women, Parisian, especially Parisian, are not fond of heavy foundation, heavy contouring. They love, this natural, fresh, glowing skin with imperfection. Don't go for a foundation. Use instead some tinted moisturizer, some BB cream, or even a little bit of concealer. For this makeup, I'm going to use the tinted serum by Typology. I really love this one. It's super lightweight. What I love about this product is the fact that it is more a skincare product rather than a makeup product. It does have many skincare benefits, and the number one is definitely hydration. It really hydrates my skin. So I'm going to have very light hand when it comes to tinted moisturizer because I want something that looks super fresh today. So the second thing, because French women also love it, I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer just under my eyes to cover my dark cycles. The next step in the French no makeup look is to get what we call the natural glow. The goal is to get the barely there glow, more like skin catching the light naturally, rather than something that looks too cakey or shimmery. And to get this natural glow, I'm going to use the Glow Drop by Typology. I absolutely love this product. It's enriched with vitamin C, aloe vera. These are glow drops that provide an instant and long-lasting radiance. What I love about this product is how natural it looks. It's not too shimmery. It's absolutely beautiful for every day. The second thing I love is the versatility. You can use it with your daily moisturizer, also with your foundation or your BB cream or even your tinted moisturizer. You can also apply it alone like I'm doing. French women are not fond of the contour. It looks a little bit too artificial, too structured. They will apply this kind of highlighters in some very strategic area. So usually I will apply here on the bombe of a cheek and I will tap, just to tap here, just to have this beautiful glow. Oh la la, oh my god, as you can see, the glow is here, it's already here. I'm going to apply here, just below the eyebrow, to give something very natural. The next step in the French no makeup look is to apply blush to get this natural flushy color, and blush is definitely the secret of French women or Parisian to get something super natural. For this look, I'm going to use also one of my favorite blush, especially for spring and summer. This is this one from Tom Ford. It's Love Lust, absolutely gorgeous blush. I'm going to apply here on the bombé of the cheek, just here. Wow, give this super nice glow. The next step of a French no makeup look is now about the eyes, and again the goal is to look super natural. So for this look, I'm going to be super light and super natural. No eyeliner, no eyeshadow. I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara just to open the eyes. Let's start with the eyebrows because it is still important for French women. If you look at French eyebrows or French girl eyebrows, you will see that most of the time it is super natural. They don't make any contour, they don't use any brow pencils, they avoid anything that look too structured or fake. So they really work on the natural brows, but just to make it a little bit better. The key of the French no makeup look is definitely to use brow serum, and for this look I'm going to use the Typology brow serum. This is a new product and I love this one. Same thing with Typology, you can use it as a makeup product, but it does have many skincare benefits. This product is made with 96% of naturally derived ingredients with pea peptide and castor oil, which is very well known to help strengthen and grow eyelashes and eyebrows. So let's start to apply this one. So as you can see, I am just applying on my eyebrow just to give a little bit of shape. The goal is to give some shape, not to transform my eyebrow. Same thing with the other side. So I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara just to lift everything, but it has to look very natural. You can use the serum I just showed you. I'm going to apply a little bit of the serum under my lash just to make them grow. I want to try it. And now the last final step when it comes to French no makeup look is about the lips. And we do have French women a secret. To get the French no makeup look, the secret is to use the technique called the bitten lips, or la bouche mordue en français. You probably heard about this technique on social media, also through French icons such as Jeanne Damas or Violette. The bitten lips, la bouche mordue, is a lipstick technique that mimics the natural flush and softness your lips have after being slightly bitten, kissed, or after drinking a glass of wine. It's sensual, effortless, a little bit undone, and this is extremely popular here in France. I'm going to show you how to get the bitten lips technique, and for this look, I'm going to use, of course, the lip oil by Typology, which is also one of my favorite products from the brand. This is not only a lip oil, this is a lip moisturizer, and I love this product. It is made of 98% of naturally derived ingredients. It does contain active ingredients such as jojoba, squalane, and vitamin E. It delivers nutrition, suppleness to the lips with a glossy finish that is non-sticky and non-greasy. That's why I love this product. It is slightly shiny, slightly glossy, but it looks super natural. Let me show you how to get the bitten lips technique. First, the color is concentrated in the center of the lips. So I do apply the lip oil at the center of my lips. The edges are soft, blurred, and imperfect. No sharp lip liner. I'm not going to use any liner for this look. The secret is to use your finger or dab the lip oil on your lips. Use your fingertip or a Q-tip to gently smudge the edges. Don't over-define or make it too perfect. Et voilà le résultat. This is the French no makeup look. The secret to get this French no makeup look is to be super light. Always work and get this natural finish. Let me know what you think about this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me also on my other social media. And I see you very soon for another video. Bye.